in golf. So it's worked out rather beautiful and put Peter's head in a better space as well, which is good to see. Certainly had his ups and downs. Now he could be the crowd pop up to watch his kid flourish in an absolutely beautiful way.
His loss last year, he's talking about the fact you played. His loss last year was against Tim Henderson. Again, I'm making big estimations, so I'm not sure. 98 and 99, he lost to Tim Henderson.
Well, this is starting to get quite interesting, and you sort of feel like this is a bit of a coin flip before the match. So, not surprising it's close. Obviously, it can go either way. That body serve against these big guys, jam them. Excellent second serve by Evans there.
So was Jude having some chocolates as well?
Yeah.
Was he alright with you?
Yeah.
What were you playing?
We were playing. I don't know what we were really playing actually.